We're here at SLE Equipment at Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 7x16 gooseneck equipment trailer with 7K axles. This does have your gooseneck. This is made of the 8-inch I-beam. Has your chain baskets, your 2 jacks, the floor is pressure treated wood flooring. This does have D-rings built in along the side, as well as stick pockets. This does have your black heavy-duty diamond plate fenders, as well as 16-inch wheels and tires with 2 Greaseable 7,000-pound axles. Fully wired with LED drive lights. This trailer does have 5-foot tall loading ramps that do stand up. The Dovetail. Once again, this is our 7x16 gooseneck equipment trailer with 7K axles. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.